if sin theta sec theta is equal to -1 and pi by 2 less theta less pi, then find the value of cosec theta cos theta. Now first write the given equation. Sin theta sec theta is equal to -1. Sin theta sec theta is equal to -1, and given that pi by 2 less theta less pi, that means the angle lying in the second quadrant. First quadrant 0 to pi by 2, second quadrant pi by 2 to pi. Here all positive, sin and cosec positive, tan cot positive in the third quadrant, and cos and sec positive in the fourth quadrant. Now try to solve this equation, that means trigonometrical equation. To do that, sin theta, write sec theta by its reciprocal cos theta, that means cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta or sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So writing this into 1 by cos theta, that is equal to -1, as sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Now see, sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to -1. There is a formula in trigonometry. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, that is equal to -1. It is known that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus of tan pi by 4 is equal to pi by tan pi by 4 is equal to -1. These are the formula from associative angle formula or allied angle formula. Now see, in place of -1 we can write pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 is equal to 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. So tan of, writing here theta, that is equal to tan of pi by 4. So, or what we can write, theta is equal to pi minus pi by 4, 4 pi minus pi by 4, or theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Obviously 3 pi by 4 lying between pi by 2 less theta less pi, or 3 pi will lie between pi by 2 and pi. Now we have to find out that cosec theta cos theta. Operate both side cosec. Now let the equation number 1, or writing simply cosec theta, that is equal to cosec, we have got the value of theta is equal to pi by 4, so 3 pi by 4, or not, or writing it equal to cosec pi minus pi by 4, just done here. See, pi means angle here, pi minus pi by 4 angle forming second quadrant. Second quadrant sin and cosec positive, so cosec will remain cosec pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4, sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Cosec will be simply root 2. As sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, so cosec pi by 4 is equal to root 2. Similarly, we have to find out that cos theta that is equal to cos of theta means 3 pi by 4. Writing here by this way, pi minus pi by 4, same case, second column angle falling, second column only sin and cosec positive, so cos will be negative here, so this will be minus cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means cos of 45 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Hence we have got two values. First one of cosec theta is equal to root 2 and cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, where theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. If you are benefited by watching this video, you should share your friends for their benefit. Subscribe this channel for getting the notification of other uploaded videos. Thank you.